EV brakes last forever, right? We're putting that to the test. Hey EV fam! Ever heard the myth that EV brakes are practically indestructible? Or maybe you've seen those sky-high service quotes, then wondered what's really going on. We're diving deep, comparing DIY brake pad replacement versus going to a professional to reveal the real savings or, let's be honest, the potential hidden costs. Let's kick things off with the DIY route. Now, it's not just asterisk about the price of the brake pads themselves. It's the tool situation. Picture this, you've got your brand new pads ready to install and bam, you realize you need a specialized socket you've never even heard of. Then a torque wrench to make sure everything's tightened just right. Suddenly, that cheap DIY job is adding up fast. We spent about $150 on the brake pads themselves. Not bad, right? But then look at this list. Another $80 on tools we didn't already have. That's the cold, hard reality of DIY. You can see on screen exactly what we needed to buy. And speaking of reality check Stein, how long does a DIY brake job actually take? The repair manual might say an hour, but in the real world, we clocked ourselves at nearly 4 hours, start to finish. And that's with some experience. If it's your first time, easily double that. We even had a friend who spent an entire weekend trying to figure it out. Now, factor in your hourly rate. What's your time worth? Even at a modest $25 an hour, that's another $100 right there. So DIY isn't just the cost of parts, it's your valuable time, your potential frustration, and the risk of something going wrong. Okay, let's flip the script and look at the other side of the coin. What about going to a professional mechanic? We called around and got quotes from 3 different shops here in town. The average? A whopping $600. Yes, that includes parts and labor, but still sticker shock, right? Now, you're paying for expertise, convenience, and, crucially, a warranty. No skinned knuckles, no struggling with rusty bolts, no deciphering confusing instructions. Just drop it off, get a call when it's ready, and pick it up. But that premium convenience, that peace of mind, comes at a steep price. But here's the thing that changes everything. The secret weapon? Regenerative braking. It means your EV brakes can last 70,000, even 100,000 miles. That's huge savings over time. Let's break down the numbers one more time. DIY cost, $230 plus your time. Professional cost, $600. DIY time, 4+ hours. Professional time, 0. And let's not forget the warranty. A professional shop will guarantee their work. Mess up the DIY job, and you're on your own. Strip a bolt, install the pads backwards, or damage a sensor, and you're looking at even more costs. This is a huge factor for many EV owners. Before you make a decision, do your research. Get multiple quotes from different shops. Ask about their experience specifically with EVs. Read online reviews. And most importantly, be honest with yourself about your own abilities and patience level. Now, let's talk about something a lot of people overlook, brake fluid. Even if your pads are in great shape, old brake fluid can cause serious problems. It absorbs moisture from the air, which can lead to corrosion inside your brake lines and calipers. This corrosion can reduce braking performance and even lead to brake failure. We're talking about rust forming inside your braking system. Have your brake fluid checked regularly, whether you DIY or go to a pro. A simple test strip can tell you if it's time for a flush. It's a small investment, usually around $100, that can make a big difference in your safety and prevent much bigger problems down the road. Think of it as preventative maintenance for your entire braking system. One more thing, don't even think about cheaping out on parts. Buy quality brake pads from a reputable brand. Your brakes are the most important safety system in your car. We're talking about the difference between stopping safely and, well, not. Cheap pads can wear out faster, create excessive brake dust, and even damage your rotors. Spend the extra money on a known brand, your safety is worth it. We've linked some recommended brands in the description below. The verdict? EV brake replacement isn't a ripoff. Factor in time, tools, and longevity, then choose what's right for you. Have you ever replaced your EV brake pads? What was your experience and total cost? Sound off below. Like and subscribe for more EV maintenance tips and cost-saving strategies.